Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect garlic bread at home. It's buttery, garlicky, cheesy and absolutely delicious. No fancy ingredients, no complicated steps, just simple, quick and full of flavors. Whether it's for a snack or just a cheesy cravings, this one is going to hit the spot. So let's get started. First, let's prepare our garlic butter. To a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 20 garlic cloves. Saute them gently on medium heat until they turn soft and release beautiful aroma. Once the garlicky smell hits your nose, turn off the flame and let it cool. Now, into a jar, add 20 to 30 grams of butter. I'm using salted butter here. Add in sauteed garlic, a quarter teaspoon of chili flakes, sprinkle some oregano and salt to taste. Blend it all into a smooth paste. My paste turned out a bit runny, that's because my butter was melted. Make sure your butter is at room temperature but not melted, so it spreads nicely. I'm keeping this butter in the fridge to get set. Now take your bread, slice it in half and remove the top layer. Spread your garlic butter generously. Since my butter is now set, it spreads perfectly. Now the best part, the cheese. Spread generous amount of mozzarella cheese on the top of the garlic buttered bread. Don't hold back. More cheese means more joy. Transfer it to a baking tray and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese beautifully melted and golden spots appear on the top. And look at that, it's perfectly baked. Now take it out. And while it's still hot, spread some chili oil on the top for extra flavor. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it. Buttery, cheesy, spicy garlic bread is ready. It's easy, quick, and it turns out perfect every time. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tasty and easy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.